Nakakabahala ang balitang ito. China itutuloy daw ang pananakop sa Baho de Masinloc. Pero papaano nila gagawin yan kung nandyan ang Amerika? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Isiniwalat kasi ni maritime expert at retired Justice Secretary ang plano ng China. Sasakupin nila ang Scarborough Shoal ng biglaan. Oo, surprise attack ang mangyayari. At itutuon nila yan pag wala na ang US Navy Carrier Strike Group. Inaasahan kasing mababawasan na ang presensya ng US Navy sa Baho de Masinloc dahil umalis na ang USS Nimitz. Oo, may kapalit naman na USS George Washington, pero aalis din yan dahil hindi lang Pilipinas ang binabantayan yan, kundi Japan at Taiwan din. Ika ni Secretary Carpio, dapat handaan niya ang Philippine Navy at lahat ng sangay ng militar kung magkakagulo o magkakagera sa Baho de Masinloc.
China is there in Scarborough Shoal. I think we see the picture already. They will put up a monitoring station because they have declared it as a nature reserve. And to maintain a nature reserve, you must monitor it and most likely to be manned. So we have to prepare for that. No? Both legal and also military, we have to prepare for that. And I think that's very urgent.
Nakakatakot pang babala ni Secretary Carpio kung hindi aaksyon ang Pilipinas hanggang kamatayan, sasakupin talaga yan ng China. Sinasabi lang ng China na nature reserve yan, pero military base talaga ang plano nila dyan. Alam nyo naman kung gaano kasinungaling tong mga Chinese na to. Gaya na lang ng nangyari sa Mississippi. Pangako ng Chinese dati hindi nila sasakupin yan. Anong nangyari? Fully operational military base na kayang maglunsad pa ng digmaan. Kailangan din daw labanan yung fake news na gegerahin ng China ang Pilipinas kung pipigilan natin ang China. Sabi kasi ng mga pro-China vloggers, hayaan na lang natin sakupin yan ng China kaysa magkagulo pa daw.
Erected a radar weather station on Fiery Cross Reef. Pero nagkaroon ng foothold. China was able to man it na. And then later on, it became an air and naval base. Ganyan din nangyari sa Mischief Reef. Sabi ng China, we are just putting up a fisherman shelter. But now, that has been converted into the biggest air and naval base of China in the South China Sea. No? So, the same playbook is being used on Scarborough Shoal. China is saying, we are putting up a nature reserve. This information by China, which we have to counter with historical records, historical maps, historical documents. You know, when they announce a nature reserve on Scarborough Shoal, suddenly Filipinos who are pro-China said, Scarborough Shoal does not belong to the Philippines. So mukhang coordinated, no? It's coordinated, obviously. So they have a playbook. We've seen this before, and we must be wiser this time. Let's prepare for it. How? Let's expose them.
Kayo, tingin nyo, itutuloy pa kaya ng China ang pinaplano nila? Gaya ng sinasabi ni Secretary Carpio, ikomento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.